Menteri Rangba ke Jela Meghalaya, Konrad Kisangma, Ubadairu National President ke National People's Party, NPP, ulang bak office rekam ke parti, ke download ikikot kisla ban ya cekmat bantai ke office. Unang watching tip lang bak RTI ubah Disparsing Rani, kat sauterik noilur arjar puar, ulang bak NPP kampat yok priang ke jingbet nak office Deputy Commissioner, ban pengat ikidieng haka caka bantai ke office.
We have got all the documents, and time and again our President and General Secretary have asked the Urban Affairs Department, is there anything further to be submitted, is there anything there, is there anything that's missing, is there anything that's gone wrong, and we have not received any kind of notification, anything from anybody saying that these are the things that are there, this is not there. So we are not sure on what basis the Atiar activist is saying that, but as a party and as an organization, all the necessary procedures have been followed from our end.